You'll be shocked to discover this cold cut contains no meat, no preservatives, no cholesterol, yet it supports weight loss and hormone balance, made from lentils alone. And the ending will leave everyone stunned. Welcome back to Wellness Unfolds, where we explore the art of cooking specifically designed to heal your body and mind. Today, we are creating a delicious plant-based cold cut that looks and tastes like meat, but is entirely made from lentils. Forget processed foods filled with additives. We are using red lentils, a powerhouse ingredient that is affordable and packed with protein. This recipe is based on Harvard nutritional training principles, ensuring every bite supports weight loss, hormone balance, and better digestion. Let us begin with the star of our show. We need 170 grams of high-quality dry red lentils. Hygiene is the first step in any healthy kitchen. Wash the lentils thoroughly under running water until the water runs clear. To activate the enzymes and make digestion easier, we must soak these lentils in plenty of water for at least 6 hours. During this time, the lentils soften significantly, which is crucial for achieving that smooth, creamy texture we need for the sausage. After 6 hours, drain the water completely. Rinse them one last time to ensure they are perfectly clean and ready for processing. Transfer the hydrated lentils into a high-speed blender. We add just enough fresh water to help the blades create a paste. Blend on high speed until the mixture is absolutely smooth. We want a consistency similar to pancake batter, with no lumps. Pour this nutrient-rich batter into a non-stick pan. Make sure to scrape every bit of this valuable mixture from the blender. Turn the heat to medium. Constant stirring is the secret here to prevent the lentils from burning or sticking to the bottom. As the lentils cook, they will start to thicken. This initial cooking phase removes the raw taste and improves digestibility. We cook this base mixture for about 10 minutes. You will notice it transforming from a liquid batter into a thick dough. Observe the texture closely. It should hold its shape and pull away from the sides of the pan when stirred. Now for the magic ingredient. We use fresh beetroot not just for nutrition, but to give our sausage a realistic pink color. Extract the juice from the beetroot. We only need the liquid to act as a powerful, natural, and healthy food dye. Pour the beetroot juice into the pan. Watch as the pale lentil paste transforms into a beautiful, appetizing pink color instantly. Mix it thoroughly. This natural coloring is rich in antioxidants and completely free from the artificial nitrates found in cured meats. Now we build the flavor profile. We need white pepper, garlic powder, salt, sweet paprika, and a touch of coriander. Add these spices to the mixture. The paprika adds a smoky depth, while garlic provides that savory punch we all love. Stir well to distribute the aromatics. The heat helps release the essential oils from the spices, intensifying the overall flavor. To create the firm texture of a sausage, we use agar-agar, a plant-based gelatin alternative derived from nutrient-rich sea algae. Dissolve the agar powder completely in cold water. It is crucial to remove lumps now to ensure a smooth final texture. Pour the agar mixture into the pan. This ingredient is the key structural component that will allow our sausage to slice perfectly. Add a splash of high-quality olive oil. This provides healthy fats and mimics the mouthfeel of traditional fatty cold cuts. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice. The acidity balances the earthy flavor of the lentils and acts as a natural preservative. Continue cooking and stirring for another 10 minutes. We need to activate the agar and ensure all flavors are perfectly married. You will know it is ready when the mixture pulls away cleanly from the pan and has a glossy, elastic appearance. For the mold, simply recycle a clean cylindrical plastic bottle with the top cut off. It is the perfect shape. Carefully pour the hot mixture into the mold. Do this while it is still hot, as agar sets quickly as it cools. Tap the mold firmly against the counter several times. This releases trapped air bubbles and ensures a solid, uniform internal texture. Cover the mold and place it in the refrigerator. Let it chill for 5 to 6 hours to set completely firm. Patience is a virtue in cooking. During this time, the agar structure solidifies, binding the proteins and fibers into a block. Once the waiting is over, remove the mold from the fridge. The mixture should now be a solid, firm, and heavy block. Gently cut the plastic mold to release the sausage. Look at that beautiful, smooth cylinder. It holds its shape perfectly. Place it on your cutting board. The color is vibrant and natural, achieved without a single drop of artificial food coloring. Watch how easily it slices. The texture is firm yet tender. exactly what you would expect from a high-quality deli meat. You can slice it as thin or as thick as you like. It is versatile enough for sandwiches, salads, or appetizers. Look at the flexibility. It bends without breaking, which is the hallmark of a successful texture in plant-based meat alternatives. Now, let's serve this. Start with a slice of whole grain bread and spread your favorite healthy sauce or mustard generously. Layer on some fresh, crisp lettuce and ripe tomatoes. We are building a meal that is balanced in flavor and nutrition. Add a generous amount of our homemade lentil slices. This provides the protein punch needed to keep you full and satisfied. Close the sandwich and slice it in half. This is the ultimate guilt-free lunch that does not compromise on taste. Look at those layers. It looks like a classic ham sandwich, but it is entirely cruelty-free and packed with fiber. The taste is savory, slightly smoky, and deeply satisfying. It is a culinary victory for anyone looking to reduce meat consumption. Let's talk science. Red lentils are a superior source of plant protein, essential iron, and dietary fiber for gut health. Unlike traditional cold cuts, this recipe is low in calories and contains zero cholesterol, making it heart-healthy and diet-friendly. The high fiber content supports a healthy microbiome, which is directly linked to better hormone regulation and improved mood stability. This recipe is also incredibly economical. A bag of lentils costs a fraction of the price of processed meat products. Presentation matters. You can serve this on a charcuterie board, and your guests will be amazed it is vegan. Get creative with leftovers. Dice it up for a protein boost in your salads, or fry it lightly for breakfast. Yes, you can even pan-fry it. The agar holds the structure, allowing the outside to get crispy while remaining soft inside. It makes for a perfect breakfast companion. Nutritious, delicious, and providing the energy you need to start your day right. Eating well is the foundation of living well. This recipe embodies the philosophy of nourishing your body without sacrificing pleasure. Cooking from scratch connects you to your food. It empowers you to control exactly what goes into your body. We used no preservatives, no artificial binders, and no unpronounceable chemicals, just nature's finest ingredients working in harmony together. To recap, soak the lentils, blend until smooth, cook with spices and agar, and let it set. It is that simple. The result is a versatile kitchen staple that will save you time and money while boosting your health significantly. By choosing plant-based options like this, you are not only caring for your own health, but also for our planet. I encourage you to try this recipe this weekend. It is a fun experiment that yields delicious rewards for days. Here is the full list of ingredients again. Feel free to pause the video now to take a screenshot. Remember, cooking is an art. Feel free to adjust the spices to your liking. Smoked paprika is a great addition. Share this healthy creation with your family and friends. It is a wonderful way to introduce them to plant-based eating. Even children love the texture and mild flavor. It is a sneaky way to get more legumes into their diet. If you enjoyed this recipe, our channel has many more secrets to unlock the power of natural foods for you. Please hit the like button if you found value in this video. It helps us spread the message of wellness. Leave a comment below. I would love to hear how your lentil sausage turned out and what spices you used. In our next video, we will be tackling another kitchen staple that you can easily make at home for less. Remember, true wellness comes from consistent, small choices. Every healthy meal is a step towards a better, more vibrant you. Take a moment to appreciate the food you create. Mindful eating is just as important as the ingredients you choose. We are committed to bringing you the best in nutritional science and culinary arts, blended perfectly for your modern lifestyle. Thank you for watching Wellness Unfolds. Embrace this nutritious lifestyle, share this recipe, and stay tuned for more healthy culinary secrets. Until next time, keep your kitchen simple, your ingredients natural, and your health as your #1 priority. Goodbye.